You see this right here? It came out. I'm gonna show y'all how to do the maintenance on this crochet braid Yanky Twist hairstyle. I done went swimming, worked out. I didn't sleep with bonnets on majority of the time. I just went to sleep. Look at these edges. Of course, they are looking untamed. I'm gonna have to do a whole nother braid method next time because the way I braided it, I really have to make sure that it don't come loose. My scalp ain't too bad like I thought it would be, to be honest with you, because normally it gets really bad, but it's alright, I guess. Ooh, and I didn't press record. Or did I? I did press record. What am I talking about? I have to get back in the groove of things because I haven't done a talk through video with the YouTube in a minute. If I miss a week or 2 or 3 or 4, a month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. Look, I'm trying, okay? As you see, my fingers is running through. Now, you may have a little snag here and there, but I do want to do something to it. I am going to be taking these out soon, so be prepared for a video of the takedown. I got other content to create, and I just can't keep a hairstyle in for long to save my life. So the first thing I'm going to do is spray it down. I'm going to show y'all something. Think that is. What you think that is? My braid literally, it came out. I'm gonna lift that up. We're gonna get that bobby pin and we're gonna stick it in there. Now we got a little braid hanging, just dangling right there. It looks crazy. I'm gonna take this bobby pin and I'm going to kind of just fit it somewhere up in there so it can stay. People was asking me, how did you braid it down? What's your braid pattern? You don't want to do it. I got a few products that I think that I might want to use, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use them. See, I got the Doux Mousse. I got the Pantene Gold Series New Length Scalp Revitalizing Treat Me While I was at a whole handful in my mouth. I got the Kaleidoscope, the Brat Funkdafied Soothing Braid and Scalp Spray. Now, I know you can use this on your hair as well to revitalize it. And I think I might use this. And you can also spray this on your scalp. So it's like an all-in-one type thing. I also like this right here because it sprays in there. They both spray. They got their own way of spraying. I decided to use the Kaleidoscope, the Brat, because you just can't go wrong with that, okay? Just spray it all up in there, you know. Ain't nothing special. You just want to get every in between the braid. Uh-oh. Feel that braid coming out. Oh, well. I'm gonna also use this as well, more for the back, because this actually reaches in spaces that you just can't reach in there and just spray, and it just definitely, it gets its job done. Yeah, I think this works better for the back. I'm gonna be using the Doux Mousse, but it detangles, conditions, defines, shines in one step, and that's everything that I need right now in one bottle. So let's get to it. Get them ends. You know, you want to act like you're doing your own natural hair, you know. Put that right there, right there. I feel like we definitely is done. Like, if I just go ahead and just lay my edges and everything, I'm good. You see, my fingers is going through. So I really don't know how I'm going to style it. I'm trying to think in my head. But this is how it looks after I done put all of the products in. You know, I can't believe some people actually thought this was my natural hair. I'm like, okay, thank you. Because it is mine, okay? It's on my head. I had a little problem going on where I was like, how can I do YouTube videos and also do Instagram Reels? You want to stretch yourself throughout all platforms, and I'm trying to do that. And normally, typically, I like to flip my camera to do the reel and then flip it back to do the YouTube video. After a while, it does get very annoying, I can say, because it's like you gotta just keep playing with it, flip, 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 flip. And I don't really want to keep flipping, so I did buy this tripod. I got it from Amazon. I can link it in my little linky thingies. So I'm actually gonna be doing right now an Instagram video, so y'all gonna actually see that part. That's my children and my husband. Hopefully y'all don't see my notifications and everything, because it get a little, you know. I think that's the camera. So it's hard to see when you're actually filming like this. Let me see. I don't know if that's a camera. Is it? It is the camera. Here I am. Here I am once again. You see me? Yep. Hey. I believe what is called U-Coats. I'm not sure. I'm gonna put it down, like I said, in my description box. But it came with a little clicker, so I don't really have to touch my phone. All I have to do is click it as long as it's connected to the Bluetooth. And then it just extends like this. And I'm just like, okay, this is really to be cute. Doing my hair. Half up, half down, very simple, very me. Gonna do this. Kinky edges. Not kinky, but kinky edges. Eyelash lifted. Let it dry a little. I think this would be cute. Just gonna stick it in there. I was gonna say that's what she said, but never mind. We are done styling my hair. This is how it's looking. I had my grapes on deck because I was super duper hungry. But this is the final look. As you see, half up, half down. Very cute, very demure. Let me stop messing with y'all. But like I said, this is the final look. If you want more information on this hair, check out my previous video, as I have everything in the description box there. And love you. Bye.